In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common mistake with undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If your undeposited funds balance looks backed up or higher than it should, the issue is often caused by a duplicate or incorrect deposit entry. The good news is that this is usually a simple fix once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we're going to clean that up by removing the mistaken entry and then recreating the deposit correctly so your records match your actual bank activity. First, go to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you can review the accounts connected to your transactions, including the bank account where the deposit was posted. Next, open the account where the deposit was made. In most cases, this will be your checking account or your savings account, depending on where the money actually went. Once you're inside that register, look through the transactions and locate the deposit that was entered incorrectly. This is the duplicate or mistaken entry that is causing the undeposited funds balance to stay uncleared. When you find the transaction, select it and either delete it or void it depending on what's appropriate in your workflow. The goal here is to remove the incorrect bank register entry without disturbing the original customer payments that should still be waiting to be grouped properly. Take a moment to make sure you are removing the duplicate and not the real deposit that belongs there. That little check can save you time later. After that, click the plus icon in the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and choose Bank Deposit. This screen lets you properly combine the payments that are sitting in undeposited funds and move them into your bank account as one grouped deposit. From the list of payments in the deposit queue, select the correct grouped payments that belong together. This should reflect the actual combination of payments that appeared in your real bank deposit. As you select them, keep an eye on the deposit total and make sure it matches your actual bank statement exactly. That's the key to getting everything back in sync. Once the total matches what hit your bank, you'll know the deposit has been rebuilt the right way. This should clear the extra amount out of undeposited funds and help keep your books accurate. If you're ever unsure, compare the deposit in QuickBooks to the amount and grouping shown by your bank before you save. That extra review step helps prevent the same issue from happening again.